Hi friends, welcome back to Cyclone TV India. So as you know that this depression BOB02 after making landfall in Andhra Pradesh has moved over Telangana and over Maharashtra and produced heavy rains there and is currently over Arabian Sea as you can see. So it is again forecasted by the IMD that it can regenerate into a depression which will be called ARB03. So let us see what IMD has said about this. So this is the national bulletin issued by the IMD and the subject is well marked low pressure area over east central and adjoining northeast Arabian Sea. The well marked low pressure area over east central and adjoining northeast Arabian Sea of South Gujarat coast moved west northwestwards and lay centered over east central and adjoining northeast Arabian Sea at 5:30 am IST of today, the 17th October. It is very likely to move further west northwestwards and concentrate into a depression over east central and adjoining northeast Arabian Sea during next 12 hours. So the warnings placed: rainfall warning, light to moderate rainfall at a few places, very likely over coastal districts of Saurashtra during next 24 hours. Wind warning: strong wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km, gusting to 60 km, likely to prevail over east central and adjoining northeast Arabian Sea during next 12 hours. 25 to 35 km, gusting to 45 km along and off South Gujarat and North Maharashtra coasts during next 12 hours. It would increase become squally wind speed reaching 45 to 55 km, gusting to 65 km over east central and northeast Arabian Sea from 17th October evening and over central and adjoining northwest Arabian Sea on 18th October. Sea condition will be rough to very rough over east central and adjoining northeast Arabian Sea of 17th October and over central and northwest Arabian Sea on 18th October. Rough along and off South Gujarat and North Maharashtra coasts on 17th October. Fishermen warning: fishermen are advised not to venture into east central and adjoining northeast Arabian Sea on 17th October and over central and northwest Arabian Sea on 18th October. So the next bulletin will be issued at today 11:30 am IST of 17th October. So you can see the well marked low pressure area over east central and adjoining northeast Arabian Sea. This is the observed and forecast track of the well marked low pressure area over east central and adjoining northeast Arabian Sea based on 0 UTC of 17th October 2020. So this is the tropical weather outlook for North Indian Ocean of the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, valid for the next 120 hours, issued at 6 UTC of 16th October based on 3 UTC of 16th October. So in the Bay of Bengal, a low pressure area is likely to form over central Bay of Bengal around 19th October. It is very likely to become more marked over west central Bob during the subsequent 24 hours. In the next 96 to 120 hours, there is a low probability of cyclogenesis over the Bay of Bengal. And in the Arabian Sea, the tropical weather outlook, a well marked low pressure area lay over east central Arabian Sea of North Maharashtra coast. It is very likely to move west northwestwards and concentrate into a depression over east central and adjoining northeast Arabian Sea of North Maharashtra and South Gujarat coasts during next 24 hours. So the probability of cyclogenesis during the next 120 hours, it's low so the probability of cyclogenesis for the next 24 hours is low. In the next 24 to 48 hours it's high. In 48 to 72 hours it's high. And the next 72 to 96 hours it's moderate. In 96 to 120 hours it's low. Most of the models are indicating development of depression on 17th October 2020 over east central and adjoining northeast Arabian Sea of North Maharashtra South Gujarat coasts. The Genesis Potential Parameter, which is GPP index, is indicating potential zone for cyclogenesis over North Andaman Sea during 17th to 19th October. It may be inferred that the well-marked low pressure area over east central Arabian Sea of North Maharashtra coast would concentrate into a depression over east central Arabian Sea and adjoining northeast Arabian Sea of North Maharashtra South Gujarat coasts during next 24 hours. And a fresh low pressure area is likely to form over central Bay of Bengal around 19th October. It is likely to become more marked over west central Bob during the subsequent 24 hours. So, the low probability of cyclogenesis over North Indian Ocean, which is Arabian Sea, during the next 24 hours. You can see the well marked low pressure area. So, as you have seen, the IMD's tropical weather outlook and the national bulletin that is saying that this low pressure area over Arabian Sea will intensify into a depression during the next 24 hours, and also a low pressure area is likely to form over North Andaman Sea on 19th October. So subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you get the latest notifications of our videos, because only 3 subscribers are left for 100. So subscribe our channel, and you may check out our second channel from the I button, and also like our Facebook page from the description box. Thanks for watching.